Hey sweet friends, today I am bringing you along and sharing with you some of the brand new items that I've been seeing in my Dollar Trees. I stopped at several different stores, found the best items, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you just how I put all of these items to good use. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and let's get started. So from Dollar Tree, we have seen several different types of chalkboards for sale within the last year, but this is the first time myself seeing one of these on a stand like this. So this is really cool. It almost looks like something that would be perfect for like a wedding or a party. A piece you could write like what food you're serving, or just a little sign for the front where you sign your name or anything like that for a wedding. But I thought this would be really cute to actually style this as a decor piece and like decorate with like pumpkins. So I thought it would be fun to make it like a cozy, fun fall piece. Like I said, just a display with like more pumpkins, and this would also look really great in like a larger tiered tray. So I picked up these stickers from Hobby Lobby, and they have this gorgeous buffalo check like black and white pattern on them. I did get them on sale, so they were just a couple of bucks, and I spelled out the word cozy. So I thought it would be fun to put let's get cozy since this is going to be styled with fall decor. So I put that down first, and then using a white paint marker, I went ahead and just tried to be brave and free-handed the let's be at the top, and I think it's really cute. I do go back in later and go over this, but right now just kind of getting it on there and seeing how I want everything to look. I did think it would be cool to add a little wood accent piece to the bottom, so I am cutting down this popsicle stick and then paint it with some mineral color paint. You can see that the chalkboard itself does have like these rounded corners on the edges, or all four corners, so I ended up taking my scissors and just rounding the end of this popsicle stick so it fits as perfect as I could get it. And I loved how it has like that soft wood stain look almost with this light colored stain. And then these little berries came from Hobby Lobby, and then the mini little pine cones came from Dollar Tree, so I glued all of that at the top. And then I thought the little lace kind of looked like sweater material across the bottom, so I decided to just glue some of the Dollar Tree lace down there. It had been a while since I had used any Dollar Tree lace, and just tucked it in and secured it in the back. But this turned out to be like the cutest little sign. I cannot wait to make some more. I was able to pick up 3 of these signs, but definitely know if you are finding any of these items at your Dollar Tree. Okay, so this item I was dying to get my hands on, so whenever I found it, I was blown away, so excited. But I actually was able to find the black and white buffalo check pattern vinyl paper. So I've never really used a ton of the Dollar Tree vinyl, so I don't feel like it's fair to give it a review right now. I didn't want to just jump in with my Cricut or anything and try to use that just yet, but I decided to go ahead and just make some small, easy little projects. So I tried dressing up just a plain mason jar. I have these really cool ones that have like the little tea light holder and the black lid, but if you don't have this, you definitely can just spray paint one of the regular like golden lid like jar rings black, and I feel like it would go perfect with this pattern. And then it was really easy to use, but I did go ahead and just put it around the center of this, and I'm going to be lighting a real candle in here or putting a little battery operated one in it later. But this went on really smooth and was a nice hold, so I am super happy with it. There's so many things I'm going to be able to use with this vinyl for fall and even going on into Christmas. I gave it a cute little burlap bow, but I am so excited to actually have this vinyl now, and I just feel like it'll be so much fun to craft with. Another really fun color that I found was like this sparkly black vinyl, which I thought would be perfect for Halloween. So I went ahead and picked this vinyl up in several colors, especially the glittery ones I love so much. And I love how the glitter doesn't come off the paper, but it's like really attached to it. So this is a nice quality, I feel like. And a little hack is if you are wanting to cut this perfect, just use a ruler to use as your guide and you can get a straight line. I do wish that these had like the grids on the back, just because I'm going to be using it a lot for just like cutting it with normal scissors in my Dollar Tree crafts and videos. So I decided to cut this little strip, put it around the bottom, and then I'm going to be putting an orange ribbon around the top of this just to make it look more like fall and Halloweenish. But I feel like this was really easy to work with. I'm so happy, like I said, that I did find this vinyl, and I know that I will get to use this for a very long time. I love stacking up like ribbons like this because it not only gives it different textures, but it also hides like all the imperfections. You can see I didn't cut it exactly perfect, so that just covers up the cut edge and it gives it a nice finish. The hot glue kind of did seep through a little bit of this ribbon, but I was able just to peel it away, and it makes the perfect little candle holder that matches the colors I'm going for. Another one of my favorite finds was these gorgeous candle holders with the concrete base. They had several different designs of these. At my store, the top glass is a little bit fragile, but these are perfect as is. I love them so much. I would just put this on a shelf and use it. But for this video, I wanted to try to mix them up a little bit and show how I would use these if I was DIYing all of these projects. So I thought it would be fun to mix this with some of my gold leather ribbon. I love this ribbon. I hope Dollar Tree keeps restocking this or brings it back, but I feel like adding in the gold just really added in a different texture, a different color, kind of warms it up a little bit, but it just looks really, really pretty. And I have tons of kind of like little subtle gold touches in my fall decor. There's a lot of pumpkins that have like the little golden stem, so I felt like this would go perfect with my style of decor and just dress it up a tiny bit more. These little cardboard boxes or paper boxes make the perfect little planter or vase, especially if you're just wanting something quick. You want to add in a lot of color and design without putting in a lot of time on DIYing a project. So for this, I did want to dress it up. So I did get rid of the satin little ribbon hanger or handle. I felt like it really needed to be replaced. So I am just going the safe route and replacing it with a piece of this wired jute string or jute twine that I found at the Dollar Tree. So I put that in there. I already think it's upgraded and love how it looks, but I wanted to add in some floral pieces. So I picked these up recently at Walmart. They were 99 cents or 98 cents. I could not believe it. I love these so much. They have so much color and details and textures, and I just love the like boxwood mixed with berries and leaves and pumpkins. I just feel like you're getting a big bang for your buck. So I put a couple of these in the front, and then I feel like it needed some more height to it as well as making it look more full. So I am putting in some of these cream colored flowers that I found at Dollar Tree and just placing them in the back. I didn't even take the time to mix them in or anything with the front flowers. I just left them as is, but feel like this is a beautiful piece that just took a couple of seconds to put together. I feel like this is something that is overlooked so many times, is picking up holiday cards, especially fall cards, because I don't feel like you often gift somebody a fall card. Maybe you're writing a thank you note and you pick up a fall card because it's fall, but I don't feel like I personally send out too many fall cards every year. But if you do check out their fall cards, they have some gorgeous designs. So I picked up this little truck. I thought it was adorable. It has the little happy banner across it and it says happy fall with the pumpkins in the back. So no secret that I love framing cards. So I think they are an adorable way to really dress up any space. You can go for more of like a whimsical look, and a lot of times they do put out like a lot of more like subtle colored cards, so it fits any style. But I feel like just framing this as is looks really pretty displayed on a table. But I also love picking these up just to cut off the front of the card to display on like my bulletin board for my craft room, and it just adds that perfect pop of fall color. These mini little metal frames were new to my store. I hadn't seen them before. They say they hold like a 3x3 photo, but I really wanted to dress these up as mini little like framed pictures that I am going to end up using as magnets. So I thought it would be really cute to glue some magnets on the back of these and display these on the fridge. So first I wanted to create a really fun little decor piece to make these look like a framed little sign. So I love these mini little wood pieces that Dollar Tree is putting out. So I just pull off the little clothespin that's on the back of them. I did put in some gray and white buffalo check print or gingham print instead of the dog background, so I put those already in there, and then I decided to just paint these. Now I am purposely just going in and doing a quick little job. I didn't want to worry about all of the perfect detail. You can see I didn't even take time to do the tires or the window, but what makes these so cute is just taking a paint marker and going back over those original little lines that are poking through, and you can see that you got to add the color, but you can still see where to draw the lines back. And like I say, not going for anything perfect, but I feel like these are just a fun, cutesy little piece. The girls get so excited whenever I add anything to the fridge, like magnets and fun little designs, so I just thought these were really cute. And then speaking of the fun new metal items that Crafters Square is putting out in the Dollar Tree, I picked up one of these neat little scallop signs. The metal hooks on the back were really on there, so I did have to pry them off with some wire cutters. But you can see if you put this on one of these wooden picture frames like we used earlier, it hides the entire cut out photo part, so it actually looks like a faux board as the backing, and this will make this little sign stand up on its own, which I love so much. But first I did want to decorate it up a bit, so I am using this little pumpkin that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, as well as the little give thanks, which came from Dollar Tree. Added in this little metal leaf that I stole from another pumpkin that I have, and then I just took out the glass of this photo frame, glued down some tower blocks, and this is going to kind of create not only a 3D piece, but I didn't want the tower blocks to be attached to the glass because I feel like it would have a stronger hold on more of like this cardboard backing. And then just to be super secure, I did hot glue it and tack it down inside the frame. But this is just a really fun piece, has lots of texture, and I love all of those natural tones. Thank you all for watching. I love putting out new content and videos like this that is packed full of DIYs. Let me know in the comments down below which one of today's projects was your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting. Bye.